Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, 'tis the season where the Ice Queen, the Queen of the North, the Snow Princess, comes out of her lair in the North Pole and comes back to reclaim her throne as the Queen of Christmas. A modern day Mrs. Claus, if you will. I'm not talking about Elsa, we're talking about Mariah Carey with the most streamed Christmas song of all time. It's ubiquitous, it's everywhere you go. You can't go anywhere without hearing this thing. It's a classic. This is a little intro bit that you'll recognize. Let's hear it. That's all you get. Yep, nice little intro part. I would have kept going, but there was no way to fit a whole section of that song within the frame of what Chrome Music Lab gives you. So I figured I'd just give you the most popular bit for the sake of making it easy and super simple, because this one really is. Let's get started. I have a different video showing the bell intro, the little beginning with the bell part. Before this, we check that out in a different one you like. We're going to change the settings first and foremost. We're going to change split beats into 3 instead of 2. We're going to start on high C. So that's all that we change. Split beats into 3. Start on high C instead of middle C. Click the blue check. We're ready to rock. We're going to change the tempo first. 150. It's quick. It's brisk. Tempo is the speed of the song. Won't let me drag it there. I'll double click it and hit 150 and press enter. And it will now be set to 150. Cool. Now we're going to put in some notes on top. We're just going to drag long phrases all the way across. Now we're going to drag something across the middle of that. And then we're going to drag something across the middle of that. So, as you can see, bar 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. White, gray, white, gray. We have a pink that goes across all the first white and gray. And then the teal that goes across in the same length. But then in between that, we have orange that goes to the halfway point at the end of the white. And then the yellow that goes all the way through the gray. Boom! That's a G major chord first inversion, then a E minor chord second inversion for all you music theory nerds out there. Yep. But then we have another chord here, a C major chord. So we're going to keep that yellow going for one more bar. And then we keep that teal going for one more bar. Let's hear that. Now we know how it goes after that. It changes the rhythm. It goes da-na, 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 da, and that's going to be the orange color. So skip the first 2 of the gray, then 2 orange, 1, skip, 2 orange, 1, 2 orange, 1, then 1 more orange. And that is the pattern. We're going to double it down here in the same rhythm, an octave apart, to make it sound more full. And that's it. Boom. And then it goes in, I don't want a lot for Christmas. All that good stuff. But yeah, let's put some drums in there so it'll sound more authentic. I want to change the drum sound to kit. Electronic sounds cool, but I've already checked all the different sounds. I think marimba sounds best for the instruments. We'll check those out in a little bit too. But for kit, I want to have the drums all the way go on across bar 3 right there. That's going to be like the, but we only have one drum sound, so I'm not going to use a triangle in there. We'll just have the straight bass drum hits right here. And that's played on the snare, which will be doubled by the orange blocks. And then let's go ahead and make that sound fuller by adding circles underneath that. So both those drums playing at the same time, as well as the 2 oranges. And that is the entirety of the song. Let's hear it. That's all there is to it. Like I said, this song is very complex in a bunch of different ways. There's a reason it's one of the most streamed songs ever, and definitely the most streamed Christmas song of all time. But let's change the different instrument sounds, see what they sound like. That sounds pretty good. I don't know. I think marimba sounds better. That sounds because it's such a quick rhythm like that. So that's the entirety of the intro. Like I said, I did the other bell part intro in a different video. Go check that one out. I'll drop the link to that thing somewhere down around here, and y'all know the drill. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for tuning in. Merry Christmas. Y'all be safe out there. Keep on making music. Peace and love. Later.